How high can canZilliqa go in 2021? Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video guys, we're going to talk about canZilliqa's parabolic rise from less than 0.019 to over 6 cents. canZilliqa was less than 0.019 at start of the year around March time. It is up more than 2000% guys. It's hit 6 cents today as well. So we're going to review the price. I'll be showing you exactly how I'm trading it in the shorter time frames, my buy zones, my stops. I'll be showing you exactly how we've been trading it in the group. I didn't want to end my before Christmas. I didn't want to end with a negative video on SEC lawsuit, so I wanted to talk about a positive news. A trade. It's been one of my best trades late year. It's been an amazing trade since it broke out 3 cents. I've been trading this, and I was really happy to share this with you on YouTube as well. So if you go watch the canZilliqa videos, I shared them exactly before the price broke out. Hopefully a couple of you guys have made money, and all the thankful messages I've received, thank you very much. Let's say this is my Merry Christmas present to you, the canZilliqa trade. And the YouTube videos I share exactly when I buy a coin, which coins I'm looking to buy. In our educational groups, I share with you exactly what levels, what stop losses we're looking to buy. I'll share with you all of that, exactly how we've been trading it. But let's get into the video. So canZilliqa guys had that big breakout. This was during the DeFi drama. This was a mini altcoin season where most coins were going up, and this was driven by the DeFi mania. Then canZilliqa went really quiet, especially against canZilliqa BTC. I'll touch on canZilliqa BTC. This was a potential ABC correction, a first wave up. I don't get too much into Elliott waves, and this could be the potential third wave, 1, 2, 3, and this could be the extended 5th wave we were in at the moment. And since 3 cents, this is where I've been getting in. It's up about, it went up over 100x, let's say, because 3 cents to 6 cents, 3 cents to 6 cents, and now it's pulling back, but at the moment it's looking still good. So that was what canZilliqa has been doing. I'll touch a bit on news. It was mainly driven by the DeFi drama in June, and since then guys, not a lot of altcoins have been going up. Mainly canZilliqa, and the other coins been Theta that's been pumping. Altcoins have been getting a hammering, especially obviously XRP. Even other coins have been getting a hammering apart from these two coins. And I think canZilliqa staking, I've touched on news. canZilliqa staking is really interesting. Their new mainnet launch, the practical PBFT, which across each shard, besides the proprietary programming language is called Sicilia. Comparing its performing with smart contract industry leader makes sense. I've touched on this before. The stakings and partnership has definitely helped this, and also the December 21, the mainnet update. These have all helped canZilliqa's price go up, and we want to see fundamental news back the positive price action. I'm more of a trader, but fundamentally canZilliqa is an interesting project. canZilliqa's D-app ecosystem is better than some of the other ones I've seen, and canZilliqa's DEX is also built on the Neo blockchain partner. canZilliqa has been making really good progress, and this is definitely shown on the price, especially the pricing. And I'm a technical trader. I like to trade when things are going up. So what now for canZilliqa? That's great, Rocco, you've made money. What now for canZilliqa? So this morning the people were asking what's the trade in canZilliqa, and my update was looking to buy around 55 to 53 cents. As you can see, I'll share this with you. This was posted around 10:40 a.m. earlier yesterday, and as you can see, it pumped really nicely from 53 zone, and it pumped at 11 o'clock just after my post, and this was a really nice trade. At the moment it's trying to fight this 1 hourly trend. What I would like is to hold this 4-hour moving average, hold, and then break out. This is when I look to get in more canZilliqa. What I love about, I've shared this in my previous videos, I love getting in early prices. When this broke out, I got in, I sold most at 4 cents. I can share this post with you guys. So canZilliqa's main target for me was that 5 cent level, and this hit it. As you can see, this target canZilliqa hit on the 4th and 19th, and this was my main target. I took most profit at 5 cents. Put 50 cents there, I put 5 cents. That was my main target. It was up about 14. I was updating every day when canZilliqa was posting, when breaking out. You can see when I've been posting them. This were before canZilliqa was breaking out, just above 3 cents. So this has been an amazing trade. We like to get in before it breaks out. Now everyone is getting interested. I don't really like behind as much, but this is a decent zone for ZILLIQA. If you look to buy ZILLIQA, I would have my stop below 45 cents, and as long as the price is above 5 cents, I would 4.5 cents. Again, I'm mixing up my 45 and 4.5. As long as the ZILLIQA price is above 5 cents, I like it. I'd have my stop below here and see if it can push up. If it consolidates and breaks out again above 6 cents, I'd look to try and run it. So that's how I'm looking to trade ZILLIQA. Also guys, I'll have to quickly review ZILLIQA BTC for you guys. ZILLIQA BTC broke out of a key level, the 200 level. This is a huge zone for ZILLIQA. If ZILLIQA can break out above 300 cents in the new year, guys, this is a huge cup and handle pattern. I think ZILLIQA could easily be heading towards 10 cent, 20 cent level. Those would be some crazy targets. Well, I say crazy, but realistic targets for ZILLIQA. Let's end the video by talking about how high it can go. So I know people find it really interesting, and I like talking about it. It's really important to learn about trading, but this is quite fun. And just before Christmas, I'm going to take a couple of days off. It's been an amazing year. Thank you all for supporting me, but I wanted to make a more fun video rather than end before Christmas with a dim, sad video. Let's just say that, negative video. So ZILLIQA, guys, is breaking out of that 5 cent level. As long as it's above 5 cent level, I'm targeting the 10 cent level next. 382 Fibonacci, and 10 cent is where loads of people would be looking to take profit. I think this could be an early in the new year target. After that, I think it will probably consolidate for months. We have to be patient. This is taking 7 months. When I make my crazy predictions, it's not going to happen overnight. You have to be patient. It took about 100 days for it to consolidate and break out. It could take even longer, or we could have a wider pullback. If we clear that, guys, then we can talk about the moon targets. And 20 cent and 25 cent was the previous highs back in 2018 levels, and then those would be my targets. So 50 cent is a 2 extension Fibonacci. This is the Fibonacci where BTC is consolidating, so that would be another level I would be looking to watch. So anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. These are my targets if ZILLIQA carries on breaking out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash pumps, and these altcoin pumps has helped us, made us happy. And again, one of the best thank you messages I had was someone who sold XRP a couple of weeks ago to buy ZILLIQA, and I could have been wrong, but I really like helping you guys, keeping you guys on the right side of the market. So I wanted to make this late video before Christmas a positive video. It's been an amazing trade. I've had lots of thank you messages. You guys made money. So again, wanted to make make this video. So thank you all. Merry Christmas, have a great Christmas and New Year. I'll catch you guys in a couple of days. Smash button for the video. Thank you all. Stellar Lumens XLM price prediction 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's CryptoRocko from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be talking about this huge Stellar Lumens breakout. This breakout has been fueled by this news. Ukraine taps Stellar to develop digital assets infrastructure, including CBDC framework. This is a massive news, and XLM has pumped massively. So we're going to talk about this news. We're going to do a price prediction, and at the end of the video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my technical analysis to get into Stellar Lumens. Where are my price targets? And if you've bought it, where you can look to take profit. If you haven't bought it, I'll share with you your strategy to get into XLM. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So like most coins, guys, Stellar Lumen had a big pump near the end of the year. Then it's been consolidating. Then January, guys, with Bitcoin breaking into new highs, my focus has been Bitcoin, and you can check out the other videos, other coins that we're trading. Highly recommend you go watch. We're doing a live stream, by the way, this Sunday, free live stream on YouTube. I try and do this once a month or every other month, so make sure you set the reminder and turn on the notification button. You can ask me any questions. This is a sample of live streams that I do in the group 3 to 4 times a week. We talk about every trade. We share an XLM trade strategy to get into XLM. So if you're interested, I'll leave the links below. But yeah, make sure you click the reminder button. There's loads of coins that are breaking out. See a couple of the videos, VChain, watch the top 5 videos, which coins are breaking out. But XLM has joined the party, and because of this news, it didn't really give a pullback. It's literally just gone parabolic. So what I'm looking for XLM now is to consolidate, and I'm looking to get into XLM around 28 to 25 cent. If we get a 4-hourly pullback around here, I would look to get into XLM. If we get a bigger pullback to 20 cent, I'd definitely just buy XLM, but I'm not sure if we'll get this pullback, especially with this news. When we see pumps like this, it's difficult to get it. I'll recommend you go watch the video. The price is already up from when I made that video, so I highly recommend you guys go watch that video. And I shared exactly how we traded it, my stops, my entries beforehand. This was posted on 28th of December in the group, and I also made videos on YouTube for you guys to check out. So VeChain didn't do that. VeChain just pumped like parabolic straight up, and it's difficult to get into that using my strategy. There was a pullback I shared. I think some people in the group got in on a pullback, little pullback here. That was a nice trade. Now we're looking for a bigger pullback to get into XLM. If you like XLM fundamentally, you can look to buy some. As long as we're above 25-28 zone, I think this is bullish. So that's the strategy to get in. Let's have a quick look at XLM BTC, then I'll share with you my price targets for XLM. So XLM BTC, I've got XLM BTC saved here. So XLM BTC, I really want XLM BTC to hold, stay above this daily moving average and stay above 1,000 to 800. I don't want XLM to get below this 50% 618 zone. If XLM starts getting below here, then I won't be too interested, but I think this will probably consolidate further and then carry on. If XLM BTC breaks into new highs above 1200, I think XLM can carry on a lot higher. I'll touch on the USD price targets, but there's as you can see, this has been accumulating for a while. I took XLM trades here, it didn't really follow through, so not all my calls work perfectly. This was the XLM trade I took. It was about 20% trade. It wasn't the best trade, but if XLM breaks out above this red zone and the market that we're in, we can really see massive gains in XLM. So I'll go back to XLM USD before I touch on my price targets on XLM USD. Let's quickly review the news. So this is massive news. I talk about use cases in adoption, adoption, and that's what we want to see. We want to see real use cases, and Stellar Lumens is doing that. Another narrative to it is, XRP is struggling. People say XRP and XLM are in a similar industry. I don't think so. XLM is quite different in my opinion, but XLM, lots of XRP sellers could be coming into XLM as well. So that could be another narrative that might be having an impact. People have messaged me saying should they sell their XRP for XLM. So that might be another narrative pushing the price up. But the big news, as you can see, the Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation announced it would be using Stellar to launch a national digital currency. The country is still looking to work with Stellar Development Foundation to develop an infrastructure for stablecoin implementation and regulation. I really hope that in my country, UK, gets involved in cryptocurrency as well, because this is the future in my opinion, and the quicker you get into a blockchain, the better it is. I don't want UK to fall behind. So Stellar Development Foundation has signed an agreement with the Ukrainian government. This is a massive news, and I think the price shows that the impact of this news. And from a technical analysis, this is a potential first wave ABC correction, and we're in a third wave, so we're going to get in on a pullback and push towards that level. So that's the big news. Just to share with you my price targets, I think that's why I'm looking to get into XLM around 30 cent, 28 to 25 cent. This is a zone. Again, I'll look for a setup. Again, make sure you have a strategy. I keep repeating myself, this is the best time to trade. Even if you're new, you've not got the best strategy, people are making money, so make sure you have risk management. I'll touch on a key Bitcoin buying the dip in our group. I'll touch on that at the end of the video. If you just listen to that, it's really important to have a strategy. Otherwise you're trading with emotions. When Bitcoin dumps, you don't buy the pullback. Again, I'm going on a rant, but this is really important. When Bitcoin had this dump, people have been saying buy the Bitcoin dump, buy the Bitcoin dump. Bitcoin is not dumping. It gave you a 20% dump, but did any of you get in? So that's the question. Did any of you buy the pullback in Bitcoin when it gave that pullback? Most people, not most people say that, I'll buy a pullback, but when they get that pullback, they don't buy it. So make sure you're not driven by FOMO. You're not buying when things are going up and up. You're actually buying when things dump, and stick to your strategy. Don't be fearful when you get that pullback in this market. So one of the questions I asked in the group was how many people actually bought this pullback. I posted exactly my buy zones when it was dumping. You can see the price there when I said I was buying, and the buy zones that I shared. Now it's up there. So make sure you have a strategy and take advantage of it. That's one of the key things I can share, and take profit. Those two lessons, if you take advantage of it, last time when we had an altcoin season, it lasted 2-3 months, and as long as you dealt with those two things, not giving away to emotions and taking profit, you'll do well. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. We've not seen this market in 2-3 years. So that's my little rant over. Let's come back to the XLM video and share with you my price targets before I end the video. So the next target I'm looking for is a 50 cent level. This is where if you get this pullback entry, I'd look to target that level. Above 50 cent, guys, this is going to be a huge breakout, similar to when Bitcoin broke 10k or 12k level. I can't see any resistances until potentially around the $1 mark. This is a very key zone. There's resistance around 70 cents, similar to the XRP chart really, but that's where I'll look to take profit and then try to ride it. If the Bitcoin doesn't do anything crazy, I think XLM can reach those targets. That's my video. Comment below your price predictions. Do you think those targets are achievable? Comment below your price predictions and your thoughts on XLM. This is quite a good news, and again, I'm not done lot of research. I'm gonna do a bit more, and this news is definitely good, not just for XLM, for the whole cryptocurrency market. So comment below your price predictions, and again, subscribe to my channel. Check out the educational group if you're interested. It's the last month you get access to a course for that price. The price is going up at the end of the month to $39.99. So if you are interested, check it below. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go!